Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shirma Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa inang ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, Cancer, Cancer yan. Welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating masasagap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na umapaw manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka dahil eto na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information for the sign of Cancer. Angel Spirit Guides, give me an information. So, there's a Nine of Wands. So sinasabi dito, there's a final push or something na perseverance, yung pagtsatsaga, no, sa may isang bagay. May mga bagay na kailangan mo antayan, may mga bagay na kailangan mong mag-take ng action, or may mga bagay na kailangan mo mag-take ng risk, something, no? And of course, there's an information by the Nine of Cups. There's an offer. It's an offer by email or something, messages, or something apology. Kumbaga, meron ditong, kumbaga, may final push. And of course, there's the Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a harvest time. So, there's a additional profit for you. Kumbaga, baka magkakaroon tong ng harvest and paying off. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's a Nine of Wands, slow and steady, no? Pananatiliin mong kalmado. 'Di ba? At panatiliin kalma-kalma ka lang. Ganon. Kumbaga, slowly but surely. And of course, sinasabi din dito, there's a Four of Swords, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling, no? And of course, there's a fear. Kumagalisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dito. Additional messages for you. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings, no? Makikinig ka sa iyong intuition na, kumaga, kung ano yung gusto sabihin, ganon, kailangan mong sundin. Let's see what is the Nine of Wands. So, there's a Three of Wands. So, there's waiting for a result or waiting for a shift, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo antayin. And of course, there's a Knight of Coin. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's a secure about sa finances. Ito yung offer na to, no? Itong offer sa'yo is a security. And because there's a Three of Wands where there's a trouble, no? Kumbaga, there's an information na, kumbaga, meron ka talagang inaantay na alis. Kung ibig sabihin may gusto kang puntahan, may gusto kang gawin. So, sinasabi dito, there's a final push na dapat mong gawin. And of course, there's a waiting for a result. Let's see what is the Nine of Wands. There's a Two of Coins rather, no? Kung sinasabi dito, maging balance ka pagdating sa finances. And of course, sinasabi baka maging balance na pagdating sa resource of income mo, no? And because there's a Sun card, there's a pure positivity dito, na kumbaga there's a slow and steady but surely, no? Well, let's see what is the Four of Swords. There's a Queen of Swords. There's a bigger picture. So, dapat inaalis mo yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Tingnan mo yung mga possibilities, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay na, kumbaga, yung magiging magandang resulta, no? Let's see what is the Page of Cups. Ano itong intuition na to? There's a King of Coins, no? Being security about sa practicality about sa finances. Kumbaga, kailangan maging mautak ka this time. Pagdating sa pera, or pagdating sa kumbaga, pinagkakakitaan mo, or pagdating sa kumbaga, pinagpaguran mo. And because the Ace of Pentacles, there's a new material offer or new beginning coming in for you. May bagong simula daw dito, or bagong eksena, no? Let's see what is the Nine of Cups. And of course, there's a Knight of Coin. There's a Ten of Cups. There's a information by happiness. Kumaga, magkakaroon ka daw dito ng kaligayahan. Itong offer na to is about security, about sa finances that brings you happiness. And of course, there's a King of Wands. Represent a King of Wands, stability and control, no? And of course, there's an information by the Nine of Wands. So, under the Sun card, There's an 8 of coins. So, pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, kumbaga, mabagal man ang pag-usad, pero sigurado, 'di ba? At least, nasa tamang proseso at nasa tamang progreso ka, 'di ba? And because there is a 4 of Wands, there's a waiting for result or waiting for ship for celebration. So, ibig sabihin dito, may celebration talaga dito. And because there's a twin flame energy. And because what is the Page of Cups and the Knight of all? The King of Coin. There's a judgment. A wake of call. No? Kumbaga parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan dito. Or something on intuitions. No? May binibigay sa yung mensaya yung mga gabay na dapat kang maging practical pagdating sa pera. There's a money. No? Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Six of Swords. Transition. No? Makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon na 4 of Cups na reevaluate or analyze, no? Makakalis ka sa situation, pero kailangan mo pag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa'yo. And because there's an 8 of coin, 3 of coin na sinasabi dito, there's a teamwork or something collaborations, no? Kailangan mo pag-isipan, kailangan mong, kumbaga, maging mautak sa pagdidesisyon. Okay. Additional outcome. And of course, there's the Moon card, Revelation. Maraming revelation dito. And of course, the Ace of Wands, there's a new beginning. So, maraming ganap dito. Pero ang sinasabi dito, there's a dream coming true. Pero there's a fear. No, may mga bagay na kinakatakutan sa mga possibilities na mangyayari. Pero sinasabi sa dito, there's a slow and steady. No, kailangan mo lang magising sa katotohanan na lahat ng mga pinagtatrabahuhan mo, you need to be practical. Diba? At the end of the time, kasi there's an happiness, and because there's a big money coming in for, and big opportunities, and waiting for a result, or waiting for a ship, there's a positive outcome, there's a truth reveal na malalaman mo, no? Marami kang matutuklasan at marami kang, kumbaga, maraming pasabog at bulabog sa this time. And because magdadala sa iyo ng celebration, wedding, or something na, kumbaga, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a mirror, reflection. No? There's a relationship about doon ako, baga siguro sa relationship. Kumaga pag may lamat na, kung basag na yung mga salamin, kumaga mahirap na siya ibalik. And because there's an I like you. Some of you may gusto sa'yo, or someone attractions with you, attracted with you, romance is blooming, kumaga mukhang may bagong pag-ibig na darating. Ganon. So, let's see what this magical fairy messages. Magical fairy messages. Ask for what you want. So, ibig sabihin dito, hingin mo kung anong gusto mo. Diba? Maaaring ibibigay sa'yo at pagkalob sa'yo ng langit, ng universe, rather ng God, ng ating Panginoon, no? Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Distance. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo dumistansya or time out, no? Sa mga iniisip mo. Because there's a rejection. Some of you there's a losses. And there's a third eye. So, ito yung intuition na sinasabi, no? Baka nagkakaroon ka ng third senses, na kumaga meron ka third senses o sixth senses dito na kumaga lumalakas sa pakiramdam mo. Or dreams, rather, na pupasok sa panaginip mo. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a discipline. Na kailangan mo ng disiplina sa sarili mo. And there's a regret. May mga bagay pang hinayang ka dito. And because there's a gratitude, no? Yung, kumbaga, magpasalamat ka sa mga binibigay sa'yo opportunities. Let's see what is additional messages. There is a psychic ability. So, some of you malakas ang psychic abilities or meron ka talaga third eye, no? There's a third eye. And of course, there is a trust. Magtiwala ka sa ating Panginoon sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And of course, there is a choices. May pagpipilian ka dito. There's a choices. Let's see what is Montology. Believe the impossible. 'Di ba? Maniwala ka, lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, lahat ng mga imposible na yan magiging posible. And what you need to release. Ano kailangan mo alisin? Yung takot at pangamba mo. Yan kasi nagsisilbing blockages eh. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Ibig sabihin may bumubulong sa yung mga gabay, pakinggan mo ha. Mapagkakatiwalaan mo din yan. And forgive yourself you done nothing wrong. Na wala kang ginawang masama, wala kang ginawang mali. Kaya wag kang mag-iisip ng kung ano-ano. And because there is a strategy, no? Gamitin mo yung bagay na yan, yung kakayanan mo, no? Gamitin mo yan para magkaroon ka ng mga bagong strategy. And of course, there's an anxiety. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh. Kaya may fear at takot, may pangamba ka dito dahil dito sa stress, no? Na-stress ka dito. My goodness. So, let's see what is the chakra. Growth. No? Palawakin ang kaisipan, palawakin ang kaalaman. And there's a perfection. So, some of you gusto mo kasi, kumbaga kailangan na, kumbaga nakaayos ng gato, kumbaga kailangan perfect or something. Kumbaga may mga bagay na mapapasaya, may mga bagay na hindi mapapasaya. Dapat marunong ka tumanggap sa mga bagay-bagay, no? And because there is a guilt. Some of you may nagagalit sa'yo, no? Kumbaga may mga naiinis sa'yo, nang hindi mo alam. And of course, there is a writing. So, some of you kumbaga kailangan mong matutunan at kailangan mo malaman yung mga sasabihin din ng iba. Kailangan marunong ka tumanggap ng pagkakamali. And because there's a flower. So, some of you kumbaga magbubloom na ang iyong negosyo, no? Or mukhang magkakaroon ka na ng tawag dito, promotion sa trabaho. Let's see what is additional messages. Or baka mag-i-increase yung income mo. And of course, there's the cosmic heart. Make your life a moving up prayer. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo magdebosyon, kailangan mo magdasal, no? Nang sa ganun, maging malawak ang iyong kaisipan. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Getting to know each other. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo muna kilalanin kung sino may mga kausap mo ng maayos, diba? Kailangan mo muna makilatisin at kilalanin mabuti, no? Bago ka magdesisyon. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. And there's an hydrations and prayer work. So, some of you kinukulang sa tubig. No, baka puro soft drinks or something, puro kape. So, there's a prayer work. So, kailangan mo magdasal. Yung dasal daw yan ay talagang nakakatulong. Kaya pala, there's a devotion. Kailangan talaga ng, kumbaga, mas taasan pa yung pananampalataya at paniniwala at pagdarasal, no? Let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Judge not that you be not judged, no? Wag kang humusga na isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa lubos na alam, no? Baka, 'di ba, mamaya bulabugin ka bigla, pasabog tong tao na to, biglang gano'n. Or something na wag ka munang humusga na isang bagay na, 'di ba? Or wag mong husgahan yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Mamaya meron pa palang mas may magandang opportunity pa palang ibibigay sa iyo. Ganon. So, let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 24. I am generous. You have a heart of the gold and are very skilled in maintaining balance, stable relationship. You are loyal in your loved ones and are able to be the nurturer, protector, and provider at all once. So, see, napaka-generous mo. Kaya mo rin mag-sacrifice sa ngalan ng pagmamahal, no? Sa ngalan ng pagmamahal sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. So, meron tayong angel's answer, guys, no? So, meron kang, pwede kang magtanong. So, mag-isip na kayo ng katanungan nyo ngayon. Bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka na. Intindihan niyo ako? Okay, isa na natin. Mag-isip na kayo, guys, ha? One. Two. Three. Nakapag-isip na ba lahat? Okay na ba? Okay. Angel's answer. Give me an answer for their questions. Ask your angels. So, kailangan mong humingi ng gabay sa ating mga anghel kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. And of course, if you believe, maniwala at magtiwala ka, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa iyo at ipagkakalob sa iyo ng langit. And a year from now, so ngayong taon na to, bibigyan ka ng pasabog at bulabog, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? Unity. Dapat mayroong pagkakaisa or something, no? Sinasabi dito, today I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with my inner light. As I make this consciousness connection, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provide me with a wise and stable base from which I can now live every day of my life. See, kailangan kumbaga maging practical ka at magkaroon ka ng kumbaga unity. And of course, magkaroon ka ng kumbaga yung pagkakaisa, kumbaga, kalinisan ng kalooban, no? Kumbaga, kailangan kumbaga, mag-isip ka ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa iba. And of course, napaka-generous mo naman, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng sacrifices pagdating sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, there's a unity. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lahat, no? Hindi pwedeng ikaw lagi. So, kailangan mo ng tulong din nila. At kailangan mo rin ng kanilang mga ideas and knowledge and kanilang opinion. Nang sa gano'n na magkaroon kayo ng pagbubukulod at pagkakaisa para may saktuparan yung mga bagay-bagay, no? And of course, may mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin, no? Na kumbaga hindi sa lahat ng oras at perfect yung mga plano mo at hindi sa lahat ng panahon ay kumbaga hindi ka nagkakamali. So, ibig sabihin dito, marunong ka dapat tumanggap. Kasi minsan pag nagkakamali tayo, minsan nagiging yan ng kumbaga anxiety is not in stress. No? Nag-iisip ka, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. Kumbaga, nurture sa iya kasi tao ka, human ka, no? Na nagkakamali ka din. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo lang tanggapin. Ganon, of course, kailangan mo padagdagan ng iyong panalangin. Nang sa ganon na yung, magtuloy-tuloy na nga yung blessings mo. Kasi there's a flower by a blossoming abundance na lalago ang iyong negosyo o hanap buhay. Kasi there's a big money coming in for you and a celebration and wake-up call. So, this is, weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang support sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. And of course, siksik-liglig nag-uumapo ang biyayan man ng balik sa inyo. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. Comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys, sa see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.